Okay, everybody, so today is September 22nd. We have another asynchronous lesson on slope. Part of it is going to be a little bit the same as the other day, and then hopefully creating a little bit more understanding. So the slope of a line, the slope line is a ratio of the vertical distance of a slope triangle formed by 2 points on a line. The vertical part is called delta y, or the change in y, while the horizontal part of the triangle is called delta x, read change in x. The triangle is the Greek letter delta, and it's often used to represent a difference or a change. The slope indicates both how steep the line is and its direction, increasing or decreasing when I'm going from left to right. So different slopes. So lines slanting upward from left to right have a positive slope. Lines slanting downward, decreasing from left to right, have a negative slope. Horizontal lines have a zero slope. Like Slope Do would say, this is zero fun. Vertical lines have undefined slope. Like when Slope Dude went off the cliff and it's undefined. From a graph, to calculate the slope of a line, you have to choose 2 points. And when you're choosing your points on this graph, there's not a grid, but you really want to make sure that they are integer points to really help you do that, help you count the slope or to calculate the slope. So after you choose your 2 points, you draw your slope triangle, and you have the horizontal change, delta y, and the vertical change, delta y, and the horizontal change, delta x, and then you write the slope ratio. So in this example, I can see that the delta y to get from one point to the other, that change is 2. I'm going from 3 in the y coordinate to 5, so it's increasing 2. On the other side, for the delta y here, I have to go over a total of 5. I start at -2, and then 2, 3 more is 5. So my ratio becomes 2 over 5. And notice that if I go from left to right, I would be going uphill. So let's look at one more example. So here's 2 points. Please notice that the points are labeled and that they occur right where 2 grid lines meet. I wouldn't want to start in the middle because I'm really unsure of the exact values for those. But when they are grid points, I can see the value, and I can choose any 2 points. I could choose points closer also. So that first, I'm going to do the horizontal change. I can see that the vertical change. First, I can see that I'm going down, and the delta y, or change in y, is -2. For my x, I'm going over, and I have that my change in x is 6. And do notice that I always start from left to right. It makes it more clear whether I'm decreasing or increasing. And this line is decreasing, so I'm going to end up with a negative slope. Now I make my ratio. The y goes on top and the x on the bottom. And then I should always simplify when I can. So -2, 6. I can divide top and bottom by 2. This is equivalent to -1/3. Okay, and that's it for this short asynchronous assignment. Good luck on finding slopes.